G'day and happy Cocktail Fridays. As always, I'm your host Troy. Today I'm joined with
Caitlin
and Lana, and today we're making a limoncello float.
This recipe calls for
Prosecco,
a lemon and a cello,
a sorbet
into a glass,
and 1 shot of limoncello into each glass.
Add 2 scoops of sorbet into each glass.
and then top up with Prosecco.
And garnish with a candy cane for that festive flavour.
And you're done.
Tell us what you would do to improve this recipe.
See you next time.
This is Happy Cocktail Fridays. Scene 1, Act 1.
I don't want to open that. Can you do it?
Yeah. Why are you so scared
of it too.
You just grasp right over
I know,
the top.
I have issues with it.
Oh, why don't you just go off to the side then?
I will.
Is this on film?
Yeah.
Yes. And?
You saying add? Is she saying add?
And? Yeah.
You coming?
Wait for me, I just got to put this in the cellar.